Now, here's where things get a little bit interesting. So in 1793, France declares war on Great Britain. And Great Britain, who already has a few colonies, including Jamaica, within the Caribbean space, sees this as an opportunity to take Haiti or Saint-Domingue into their own empire and reestablish firmly slavery on the island. So Great Britain accepts this decree of war. I don't know if that's how it works with nations. I want to go war with you. I accept. Not sure, but Great Britain says, you know what, we accept this war and we're going to strategically try to take Saint-Domingue from you. Spain now sees this as also an opportunity to get inside the mix and also help out the British Empire. So what they do is they supply food, ammunition, and naval support to the slave rebels that are on the island already fighting the French for their own freedom. So at this point, it's France against Spain, Great Britain, and the indigenous or local enslaved Africans on the island of Saint-Domingue or on the island of Haiti already. So France is taking it from a lot of different angles right now. But the chess moves continue. By 1794, what do you think France does in order to counteract Spain and Great Britain? Good, you can take a guess. You can leave your comments below, put it inside the chat if you're enrolled in the course. What do you think strategically they do? If you said abolish slavery, 10 points for Gryffindor, well done. So what France does is they see that, okay, the local slaves or the local slave rebels are the ones fighting a lot of the hand-to-hand battle, and they are the strong force on the ground. So if we abolish slavery, this frees all the slaves, they now become French citizens, right? Because all free black men are French citizens, get equal rights. So they abolish slavery and they say, hey, we are at war. France is at war with Spain and Britain. You are now a French citizen, so that means that you are at war with Spain and Britain. Fight for France, fight for your country. And as new citizens, that's what they do. Led by the legendary, the one and only great Commander Toussaint Louverture, the enslaved rebels then join the French military and fight against the British and fight against the Spanish. And of course, they win. After the war, naturally, Toussaint Louverture becomes a leader within the Haitian Republic, and I'm not gonna get into it yet. We're gonna get into the next one. We can do a whole snacks, right, on Toussaint. He's just a dope person, dope leader, but we'll learn a little bit more about him next time. Keep on snacking. Peace.
Power's in the truth, that's why the truth is so elusive. All this heck match.